This video, I'm going to show you how to turn on contact sharing on your iPhone. So if you want to easily share your contact and all your contact information with other iPhone users, whether via AirDrop or you want to share just the link with the receiver, there are a few steps you need to put in place. So the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on contact sharing on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, you need to scroll down and click on General. Then under General, make sure you select AirDrop. Now, under AirDrop, there are a few options here that you need to pay attention to. The first one is receiving off, contact only, and everyone for 10 minutes. You want to turn on contact only or everyone for 10 minutes, depending on your choice. Never turn on receiving off. If this is enabled, your contact sharing will be disabled. So, choose either contact only or everyone for 10 minutes and ensure that you turn on bring device together under start sharing by. So, if this is not done on, you will not be able to use this AirDrop when two devices are brought together. If you want to use AirDrop when the device is out of range, you need to turn on use mobile data to continue send and receive content when Wi-Fi is not available during the AirDrop. So once this is set up, the next thing you want to do is go to your app library and then tap on contact, then tap on all contacts, then you want to click on view my card. So once you click on view my card, tap contact, photos and poster, and here this is what you're going to see. Ensure that name and photo sharing is enabled. If you've not set up this, you want to go ahead and set this up on your iPhone and then enable this feature. Once you enable this feature, then tap share option here. So either automatically or always ask. If you want to always share your iPhone contact when the need arise, then choose always ask. But if you want to send your phone contact to receiver, automatically all you need to do is make sure you choose contact only under share automatically. So if this is helpful on how to turn on sharing contact on iPhone, you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.